How to create a Facebook page. Today in this video we'll see together how to exactly do that. First, tap right here in the profile picture and then tap on your name to go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, tap on this plus button right here and then tap on page. Once it takes you here, you can go ahead and give a name for your page. Once you do that, you can scroll down and tap on category to give it a category which is required. Search for it and you'll find suggestions here. Tap on one of them. You can add more than one category. You can even add a description if you want, so just scroll down here and add a description. Once you're done, tap on create page in the bottom. Wait for a second. Once you get this message, you can go ahead and reach your page by tapping here in the top right corner. Tap on see all profiles, scroll down and then tap on see all pages. From here, scroll down until you find your page. Here it is. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, you can tap right here to give it a profile picture. So tap on edit profile picture, tap on upload photo, and then from your gallery or from your storage, choose a photo and then tap on done in the top right corner. From here, you can do some adjustments and then tap on save once you're done and the profile picture is added. You can do the same for the cover photo. It is the same process. And just like that, you can add a button from here for your followers to interact with you. And that is it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.